Question number 28. A horizontal conducting ring is perpendicular to a uniform vertical magnetic field. Let me write first vertical magnetic. This is your vertical magnetic. Whether it is pointing upwards or downwards, I don't know. Let us keep it. When the ring is rotated through 180 degree above the horizontal axis, this is my horizontal axis. So let me consider this as my ring. This as my ring. The ring is like this, magnetic field is like this. Okay, let me consider magnetic field is upward over like so. And then the ring is now rotated like this. Okay. Then the area enclosed by the ring is 4 centimeters square. The area is 4 centimeters square. And you rotate it by 180 degree. It means what? Now initially, let us say this is my ring. Okay, initially this is my ring. So it rotates like this, 180 degree, right? It is rotated by half of it. So initially, okay, half rotation. Initially this was facing upward, and now 180 means it is facing downward like this. Okay. And then area enclosed, the rotation takes 2 seconds, right, usually. So it takes some time. So that value is also given. What is the magnitude? Now first one is what happens to this one here. Let us say what is the flux volt. The flux initially is before rotation was given by V times A. Now when you take this one and rotate it like this, then what will happen? The phi 2 will be equal to minus V times A, right? Because the aerial vector is directed downward, right? So minus V times A. Now what is your delta phi? Delta phi is not 0. It is phi 1 minus phi 2, which should be 2 times B, right? BA minus of minus BA will be 2 times B. What is delta T? Delta T is nothing but 2 seconds. What is your EMF? EMF is equal to delta phi divided by delta T, which would be 2BA divided by 2. Okay, so I'll cancel these two over here. I'll just get B2A. Now let us substitute all the values. What is E here? E is given as 2 microvolt. 2 into 10 power minus 6 is equal to, what's the value of B? I do not know. What's the value of A? Value of A is 4 centimeters square. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Centimeter square is 10 power minus 2 the whole square, right? So I get this as B is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of plus 2 or 5 millimeters. The answer is